As member of the MaX Center of Excellence and in collaboration with our partners, we are proud to have concluded the e-school on advanced materials and molecular modeling with Quantum Espresso. We were impressed by the widespread enthusiasm. The transformation of the school into an online event has widened the possibility of participating to a very high number of young researchers worldwide. This year, we received over 1,000 applications from 92 countries and welcomed more than 120 students. The entire event was live-streamed on the ICTP YouTube channels, where we had an average of 150 people and peaks of 350 following the program and interacting with us on a live chat from all over the world.
The MaX School was a great opportunity for me to get a deeper insight into the fundamentals behind Quantum Espresso, as well as on many technical issues that are highly important to develop successful calculations.
The MaX School tour online was wonderful and perfect, and I have learned many things.
My favorite field of physics are two-dimensional materials, and with Quantum Espresso, I have a powerful and user-friendly tool to investigate them.
MaX School introduced me to advanced capabilities for material and molecular modeling with Quantum Espresso, from basic concepts from the beginning and development, and emphasizes of density functional theory, based method, and high-performance computing.
It's been a great experience for me to join the Quantum Espresso School because there are a lot of new things I learned from the school, such as the physics behind the code, the current research using Quantum Espresso, and also how to develop a good workflow.
We are very grateful for the outstanding keynotes and the lectures and for the terrific support of the organizers and of the tutors, and we will be waiting for you for a new edition of the school in 2022.